Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rahman Anjum. Welcome to my channel, Anjum's Ravishing English. Idiom 17. A cure fish means a person whose behavior seems strange or unusual. अजीब खसलत आदमी, अजीब आदात का मालिक. Example sentences. Your new boss is a queer fish because he does strange things in the meeting. आपका नया मालिक एक अजीब खसलत आदमी है क्योंकि वो मीटिंग में अजीबो गरीब चीजें करता है. Everyone could tell he was a queer fish as soon as he walked into the room with his weird clothing. हर कोई बता सकता था कि वो एक अजीब आदात का मालिक इंसान था जैसे ही वो अपने अजीबो गरीब लिबास के साथ कमरे में दाखिल हुआ. A queer fish. अजीब खसलत आदमी. Are you ready for more fun learning? Then like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.